Alright, so we're doing 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 class. We're doing an oil change on. So here, drain plug, black one, that's your oil pan. Here's your oil filter. 15 millimeter bolt here. And I'll be using a spider filter wrench to take that off. Crack that bolt, and I'm just going to do a finger lift. Alright, just let that go. Alright, I'm going to go prepare the spider filter wrench, and then I'm going to be taking the filter next. Well, there's our Fram filter there. I've loosened it with my wrench, so I'm just going to take it by hand. Alright, dripped down. This thing was in need of an oil change. So this is your drain plug. You're supposed to replace these washers, but for some reason this make and model, the washer costs more than the drain plug. And my friend told me in the shop, they rarely see these guys replace it. So as long as it's good, inspect it. And if you do have to, I recommend asking for the drain plug, as they told me it's more than the washer. Just clean up there, excess strip. I'm gonna put our drain plug back in there, catch a couple threads by hand. Okay. Make sure you clean up your housing here too. Please never over torque that, or you run into a lot of issues. Now we're going to install a new filter. There you go, looks like that. So take some of your clean oil. You want to rub it around the housing there, just like that. You're going to put this on. Catch a couple threads. Spins on like that. Hand tight. Everybody's hand tight is different. So everything's all buttoned up now. Now it's time to pour our oil in. So there's our oil cap. That's where you're gonna put your oil. Mine takes an OW20, deck sauce. A little dusty in here. Okay. My funnel. This takes about roughly 7.5 liters. Deck sauce number 1 approved. OW20, full synthetic. Alright, don't forget your cap. Put your cap back on. Alright, I'm going to take you in the truck and show you how to reset your oil light. Alright, see? Change engine oil soon. I really delayed this change. So you're going to go to your motions here. And you're going to get to this one here. Press, set. Press it again. Yes. And then there you go, 100%.